your shoes in yours until you are satisfied that they are the correct size and fit. This comes from Ontario. Roseville.
Okay, I'll go get Sharon.
This sounds like silly noise. I don't know what it is.
It's from the bathroom?
Yeah. Okay, you have to just stand and listen.
That?
Yeah, what is that? It goes on 24/7. Somebody takes the time.
Okay, just be quiet so she can hear.
It must be next door here. Right?
And then they push this on and off, and then they try to grind it in here, and then they go back to on and off, and they try to grind it in here. It's just
I wonder
kids.
what the heck it is. That's what we're wondering.
All of a sudden you'll hear the pipes grind, eh? You know, when something gets jammed in the pipes, it's like.
It's annoying at night.
Oh shit! Bugs the shit right out of
When
the
you're
whole
trying to
place.
sleep, it's really annoying.
It's like the wash machine going.
I have to shut this door.
See, I checked the wash machine. It's not going, Sharon.
Not weird.
Because there's only her daughter, her little daughter, her.
Does it sound like a toilet with the handle stuck at all?
Something to do with the bathtub.
So, no, somebody's physically turning it on and off. That's the only thing I can see, but why?
It'll keep this up all night now because that's what it did that time when you guys weren't here.
24.
I
It goes
said to
24
Dean, I
hours.
said, I'm going to see if Sharon can listen to it and see what she thinks.
No, she is. That's a lot of water, too.
Unless her bathroom's running, like, just quits and goes and quits and goes.
No. Can't do
See,
that.
hear the clunk? Somebody shut it off.
That's like somebody quickly going. Listen to the clunk.
Mm.
There it is. No, that's something else.
It must be coming from there.
It's not you
I think
guys.
it's up. It's not that.
It's that side of the building, and it's not you guys. And it's not neighbors over there.
No, it's got to be either them or her upstairs.
No, it's not the ones way
I
over.
think it's upstairs either.
It's Kathy. Now, could be her autistic kid, because that kid's weird. But it's fucking
Annoying, especially,
annoying.
especially at night when you're sleeping.
And probably expensive on a water bill. Like, but it went for 24 hours. How does a kid do that without supervision? Like, it went from...
She's usually there.
When you guys are gone, remember when you guys went out?
Mm-hmm.
It went on for the whole 12 hours, another 12. And it just kept going.
You should ask her something's running in your bathroom.
We'll let her know that we know that, you know, it's getting stupid.
Keeps it up for a
I
very
don't
long
think they're doing it
time.
on purpose. I think it's maybe automatically doing it. I don't know.
Are you heading out now, Sharon?
She hears it too and doesn't know where it's coming from.
Who?
Kathy, she just told Sharon. She says, I've been hearing it too and I don't know where it's coming from.
Nothing in the last 10
Well,
minutes.
Kathy just said she's been hearing it too.
It's not coming from there.
Yeah, but has it stopped now? Let's hear it. Jim, come here and hear it.
Stand at the bathroom door.
It's annoying. It goes 24/7.
No idea. It's just not coming from there.
That's
There's no water running in. See, everything runs through that boiler room.
Mm-hmm.
And I've been there for about 10 minutes and there's nothing running through it.
What is that?
I have no idea.
Weird.
It's super annoying for us. It's hard to sleep with that pattern because it gets loud. Eh?
Was.
And then it grinds the pipes once in a while.
Well, that I can see because anytime you've got hot water heat,
Yeah.
sometimes your pipes will bang.
Is that hot water?
It's hot water heat in the building.
That sound, is that hot
I
water?
have no idea.
It just started. There must be something changed, eh?
The pressure's up. I checked the pressure on the line. It's where it should be. And there's no sign of any noise in there. No, I have no idea what it is,
Well,
because there's
Kathy
no
says-
leaks.
I heard Kathy tell Sharon she's hearing it too.
No, I have no idea because
Really, it ticked me off kind of thing because, man, is that annoying. Even in your bathroom, eh?
it's not a toilet. Because your toilets bang, and they'll run continually. Also,
Yeah, this is like a shut off. It's shutting off, it's running.
I'll phone Mike and get him to come up and listen for it, but you'll have to come in here to do it.
Sure, no, that's no problem.
Yeah.
I'll be here. Not right now, because we're going gossip.
Well, no, not now, but later on.
Sure.
Or it won't be until tomorrow.
If it's something normal to the building, you know, I guess we have to put up with it. But if it's something new, I guess it's something that needs to be fixed or something.
Kathy, but I've never. Okay, I spent 10 minutes in the boiler room. There's nothing in there. You can't hear it in there.
Bobby. Hello.
So you heard it too, Susan?
No, that's Mom's bathroom. That's not.
Sue,
that's
what
not
time
the
you
toilet
were
thing.
in
That was
ours?
ours.
I was home last night.
No, you weren't. You were out with Isa.
What time did you come down?
When you were out with Isa, silly.
I wasn't gone long. It's been 4 o'clock.
Friggin' Newton. Think about
Oh,
it.
she's kissed my ass. Fucking do-gooder.
You get her?
Are you hearing that noise?
Oh boy, it's loud.
Because I spent 10 minutes in the boiler
It's Mom's
room.
bathroom.
Remember when we had
The
to,
flash
every time
doesn't-
we went to the bathroom, we had to flick it?
I gotta do that with mine too.
Yeah.
I don't.
Mom was just in the bathroom.
hear
so-
it.
Oh, her mom
But
was
I
just
keep
in
it
there,
up.
so that's
See, we
why.
changed all the toilets to low flush toilets.
Yeah.
Well,
But it's
2
the
years ago.
handle.
It's probably needs the weight thing. Maybe it's war. You know, when
Or
when
not-
you flush,
yeah.
the weight doesn't
They were all
fall down.
new
and
when they
they
did it. That doesn't matter.
They're all
We
brand
should put a
new.
new, bigger weight on it.
Yeah.
I don't know.
know.
I don't know.
Well, yeah, no,
Okay. Yeah, because when you go in her bathroom, you can hear
Because I
it
was in the
back up.
boiler room and the pressure's up on the line, and you gotta watch the pressure.
Yeah, because
on the
you're right
line.
there too. All our
If
bathrooms are
it drops
together.
down below,
I thought it was
then it
the,
shuts down.
I thought it was the water heat.
Yeah.
No,
The
we were
water
thinking
heat will
that's a
bang.
lot of water.
Yeah, that'll make a boom when there's
I
an
just thought it was
airlock.
heating up or whatever, and it
It's
was
her
making that
bathroom.
noise.
No.
Was whose bathroom?
Her
I
mom's.
think it's where they.
Because we used to live there and we'd always have to flip.
Yeah, flip it
Yeah,
down.
I've gotta do that. It's
Yeah, but that doesn't
and
do it
it's
all the
getting
time.
company and they don't know,
I know.
and I'm getting up and
Yeah, I
It
did
is
the
the
same.
same.
the
It's the
freaking
same.
thing.
But we're so used to doing it now, I don't
Yes.
even know if ours doesn't work. Because we always flip it right away.
Well, you
So
can
I-
tell, like ours in 204 doesn't,
Yeah.
because you can tell the
Oh, I
water's
never
running
noticed
down.
that. I
I'll go
always
in
thought it was
sometimes
like
down Mom's hall and I can hear the bathroom. It's like, who the hell was in the bathroom last? And you tell everybody, but Zach sometimes doesn't do it. But Mom was just in the bathroom, so that could have been her just
But
washing
the
the bathroom.
toilet, it
running
sounds
water.
like it goes and shuts off. Is that what
Normally they
That's
don't.
what it does.
Normally, if they're leaking,
It won't shut off
It
till you go
won't
in
shut
there and
off.
shut the damn thing off manually,
No,
shake the handle.
Come
and
listen to
then-
this. This is not the same.
Oh, it's the same as hers.
No, I'm saying it's not
Yeah,
like a
that's-
toilet. It's on and it's off, it's on and off.
Oh, you're not gonna know.
Wait for it.
No, I bet you it's this. That?
Yeah, what the heck is that?
That sounds like a hot boiler tank. That could be the water upstairs. I don't even know what you mean.
Yeah, it's on, it's off, it's on, it's off, it's on, it's off.
That's what that sounds like. That sounds like the hot water boiler.
Well, that's what I was saying.
Yeah, that's exactly what it sounds like.
Yeah, because when Dave was here last week, he heard, that's what he said.
Yeah, it sounds like, you know when a hot water tank kicks in to boil the water and then it kicks
Yeah,
off?
but it doesn't-
That's
you can't
exactly
even
what
hear
it
Yeah, but
sounds
that hot
like.
water tank is huge.
No, but that's what that sounds like. When
Yeah.
a water tank
She's
kicks
saying that's
on,
what it sounds like.
Oh, I see.
and then when it kicks off after it's
there
it's
a-
boiling.
is there
Yeah, but then why does it only
What's that?
make the noise for about 5, then it shuts off? Then it starts up, shuts off?
Well,
Sometimes
because
it runs for hours.
Because if it
sometimes
cools
it
down,
doesn't.
it cools down to the cooling part, then it restarts to reheat it again.
Yeah, but in
and then if
another
it cools
minute,
down,
if
But
it
the thing-
depends.
See, I was
Depends on
I
who's
was in
using
there
the
for
water.
10 minutes.
Exactly, that's what I
But
mean.
am I right to say the only boiler is over here?
That's all.
Because I can hear, when I was sleeping on the couch, because I could hear the boiler fire up, like you can hear the boiler fire up.
Well, you can hear that, yeah, when it
Because
fires
you can
up.
hear the fire, poof, you know, it
Yeah.
starts going,
Yeah.
and you can hear all the.
But no,
stuff
that's
in
what
there.
that sounds like. It's like when
Well,
it,
this
That's what we thought.
when the water heats up and then it
That's
shuts
what
off.
David and I
When it
thought.
cools down, it comes
The
back
other
on.
night I was on the phone with him,
Does it all?
and I was in the
Well, it
tub.
depends how many people are using water.
You couldn't even
know,
hardly
and
hear what I
at
was saying over the
different
noise in the
times, right?
bathroom. Because when there's water in the tub, the water gets louder.
Well,
Because
yeah.
Mom would have
because-
been,
Yeah.
Mom
Yeah.
would have been just in the bathroom using it and come out. And then if that water were running water and it was cold or whatever, hot water. I don't know.
But with hot
That's
water,
exactly what it sounds
see
like.
with your toilet,
That's
there's no
what I
way
thought.
it doesn't sound like a toilet leak.
No,
No.
No,
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 but
it
I
will be
noticed-
It's gotta
continuous.
be in the hot water system.
I noticed mine and Mom's bathrooms. You're gonna have to do something, Jim, with, I
But
think
the funny
donuts
part
might go
is,
in
like, it
because
hasn't
it's
done
full,
it for
it's
a
hot.
while.
Mine's been doing it
Well,
all the
get-
time.
get-
Yeah, you've been
Yeah,
hearing it
same.
all the time.
Yeah.
All the time. All the
What's that?
I hear it all the time. It doesn't just stop and start up and don't hear it again for a couple
No,
days.
it's
I
gone
hear
for 24 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it doesn't go continually.
You know,
Yes.
it does take breaks. In mine,
Yeah,
it takes
but it
breaks.
doesn't run continually.
Like it'll
No,
take
it
about a
goes-
minute
it goes-
break and then it'll start up.
Yeah.
Take a minute break,
Because it's
start
what
up.
it was doing
Like you
there.
said.
Yeah.
But to
It'll go
me,
like this, it went like this.
Yeah,
for
that's not the Mom's
like
bathroom
12
then.
hours.
no, it's
It'll go
not.
all night.
It'll go all night like
It's
that.
not.
I've heard it
I'll have
go
to
all
get,
night.
Well, I've heard it going all night, yes, but I do hear intervals where I don't hear it.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Then it'll start up, then you don't hear it, then it'll start up again.
Yeah.
It's not continuous.
no. Well, I'll get
Yeah.
Mike to come and look at it, because it's nothing to do with the boiler room. Like, I spent 10 minutes in there, and I can't